In this short video, we explore the purpose and types of testing. Here are four main reasons why a program should be tested. You want to be sure that there are no errors or bugs in the code. That's syntax and logic. You want to check that the program has an acceptable level of performance and usability. You want to be sure that unauthorized access to data has been adequately prevented. And you need to check that the program actually meets the requirements which were set for it at the start. There are two main types of testing. One happens when the software has been developed, and the other is performed when the program is considered complete. So the first is iterative testing, and this is performed whilst the software is being developed. As modules of code are being written, the program branches. That's the conditions and the iterations, and these are checked for their functionality. You have to be sure that there are no bugs in the code. You have to be sure that new modules that you write don't introduce errors into existing code, and you have to make sure that the program handles erroneous data and exceptional situations. In one of the previous videos, we looked at planning for these contingencies and how a programmer will consider all the possible things that could happen to their code while it's executing. We also have final or terminal testing, and this is performed when the program is finished. You have to test that all the modules now work together, and this is known as integration testing. You also have to test that the program produces the required results, and you'd need to draw up test tables and test the program of normal, invalid, borderline and erroneous data where appropriate. You also have to be sure that the program meets the requirements that were set for it. You may choose to do a beta test and get a larger number of users testing the program and finding those errors before the program is finally released. It's worth noting that despite all this planning and all this testing that you're going to do on your program, there will still probably be some situations that haven't been uncovered, and therefore maintenance on the program will be necessary, and you'll have to release future patches and updates. The rest of this video goes beyond what you need to know for the GCSE exam, so you can stop taking notes. However, it's worth watching to give you a broader appreciation of the size, scope and importance of testing. Don't think that iterative and terminal testing are the only types of testing that exist. We already hinted in the previous section that other types of testing exist, such as beta testing. If you're a regular player of computer games, you may well have been involved in beta testing a game before its official release. Shown here are some of the other common types of testing you're most likely to come across at A-level and roughly when they occur during the process of software development. This isn't all the types of testing though, just take a brief look at this list. All of these categories and types of testing occur in the real world of software development, and even this list is far from exhaustive. Needless to say, testing is a vital step in the development of any software.